Windows has multiple ways to get at the same objective. So we're going to try to do this here. We have a couple options. One, we can go up to the upper right hand corner here and select on the search button. The other option is we can use our right, swipe in from the right hand margin here and pull up search and select search. And then the other option that we can do, of course, is to hold down on our keyboard the Windows key and select Q. In either case, we're searching for control. So I want you to type in control, and then you'll see pop up here your control panel. So go ahead and select that control panel at this time. So now that we're in the control panel, again, we can use the search component to find out what we want to do. So we're going to go ahead and we want to add new fonts. So we're just going to go ahead and type in font here inside of the search button. And we're going to just go over here and select on fonts. There we can add, change, or manage the fonts on this computer. So let's go ahead and do that. Now we're going to search for a font specifically that we want. In this case, it's a specialized font that Dell has had made. And notice here that this font does not exist within this system. So we're going to go ahead and add that. So using Notepad, we can use it just as an example here of if we have this font available. So we can go here to Format and Font, and we can go ahead and look for this font. Now the font that we're looking for is actually starts with an M, MU, which we do not see it. So it's not available to us today. So we're just going to go ahead and click on Modern there and select OK, and it's going to change that, and that's fine. But now let's go ahead and install the font itself. So we know the font's not there because we looked in Notepad. We're going to come back to Notepad here in just a minute and see how magical it is that we added the font. So listed on the screen here, we see 4 fonts. This is still that control panel we're in here, folks, with the fonts, and we see these 4 fonts. We're just going to highlight all of these, and we're going to simply drag and drop them over. See how it's installing these 4 different fonts here. We're going to go ahead and now search where we couldn't before find anything with Dell. And here we have, now they're groups here, so there's 2 fonts in each one. But let's go ahead and double check this with our Notepad to see if we can actually see the font now. So let's go ahead and just simply use our same Notepad file here, example. We're going to go over to font, and we're going to go ahead and look for those fonts, and there they are right there. Okay, these 2 for Dell, we're going to go ahead and select on that. We have different options, of course, and we're going to hit OK, and now we have installed this customized font.